This has been quite a week in the European Parliament, quite a week for the European Union, of course. It's been a big disappointment for a lot of us, the reaction to the agreement that was forced on the people of Greece has made us all think again about the values that form the basis of this European Union and the solidarity that should be there between the peoples of the EU. And I believe that now we need a Europe of the peoples more than ever before, because the people of Greece are certainly suffering from a lack of solidarity and a lack of support. So it's been a very interesting week, a very disappointing week, but also a very busy week because it's the last week before the summer. We come back in September to resume our work, so we've all been trying to clear our desks and finish the work we have here before going back to our constituencies to work over the summer. And Emlyn Hopkins has been here this week from Brynamman. He's come on a week's work experience. So you're from Brynamman, obviously. You were studying for A-levels at the moment.
Yeah.
Tell us what you were doing.
Yeah, for my A-levels, I'm studying history, maths and German, and I'm probably going to end up doing one in politics as well, but I'm doing a GCSE in Russian at the same time. So.
Wow. So is it your interest in politics that brought you here to see the European Parliament?
Well, definitely. I'm a big supporter of Plaid Cymru, and I wanted really to see what goes on in the European with all the uncertainties in Britain, see this what's going on actually in the European Parliament, but coming here I can actually see it's beneficial to us. And
you've been doing some research on the situation in Britain this week with the referendum?
Yeah, I've been looking at what all these different people have said, so David Cameron, Labour, big businesses, so
because we've got big choices to make, but I know you've been in other meetings looking at what other countries are doing as well.
Yeah, I've been in the meetings of the Committee for Culture and Education with you, and been in discussions about the viability of Catalan independence economically and stuff, and I attended a meeting of the EFA, so the European Free Alliance, and the Greens, seeing how they would, what their stance is on the Greek situation.
And what are your general impressions of the Parliament?
Well, I don't know how, but I thought it would be smaller, which is weird because there's thousands of people here, it feels like anyway.
Yeah. So would you recommend other people to come here for the experience? Do you think it's been worthwhile for you?
Yeah, definitely. And it's given me an excuse to wear a posh suit and look important.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure having you here this week and helping our work in the office, and maybe in the future sometime you might come back and work in the Parliament.
Yeah, hopefully.
Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.